A solution of one of the following is acidic. The compound is. All right, so first of all, I'm going to get rid of the conjugate bases of strong acids and the conjugate or the metal cations of strong bases. So that gets rid of both options in A, Na, and Cl minus. Okay, so we're left with CH3COO minus. Okay, we're left with NH4 plus, and we're left with NH3. The only one that will result in a solution that is acidic is C. The conjugate acid of a weak base results in acidic solution. So the answer is C. These other two, the CH3COO minus and the NH3, will act as bases to increase the pH and make a basic solution.